My company's based here in Chattanooga, Tennessee, but very few of our clients are local. So we're a small company, very small team, but our clients are all over the globe. Most of them are in North America, Canada, but we're selling to the public sector. So our very niche vertical market is economic development groups and teams. So these are the folks in your community that are trying to attract companies to their city. And they're also working with local business to help them grow, thrive, and prosper. I've probably been through 3 different tools like this. The last one was Vidyard. And it was okay. But when I met the folks from SendSpark and my business partner started using it, I'm like, okay, this does some things that Vidyard can't do and some things other systems just don't do. And so I cut, 20, 30, 40 videos a week using this. So it's kind of like my default. And now my clients just kind of expect it. One of the things that I really like about SendSpark is the fact that I can create different templates based on the type of video that I create. So I can have the welcome screen, the call to action, and it also has a link down at the bottom so people can reply back with video, which is also really pretty cool. I put video all over our website, on our YouTube channel, where else did we put it? We put video everywhere. LinkedIn posts. We're uploading those LinkedIn posts straight from SendSpark. We also use it in our discovery process. Before we meet with clients, we'll say, hey, watch this video and get warmed up so our meeting goes better. But then I also know too if they watched the video or not, which is pretty helpful. We've even got the videos dropped into our proposal format. So when people are reading the proposal, it'll say click here to get a refresher on what that function does. And they can just, so that way they don't get lost. They're not just reading a bunch of words. The other thing that we do too is a lot of times we'll configure something in the software and I'll immediately cut a video that'll say, hey, you asked about this. Here's what I built. Let me know if this meets your expectations. And they'll just watch the video and get right back to me. They're like, hey, that's awesome. This is great. I get a lot of people that say, I've been watching your video for years. And I finally decided just to call you and now we're ready to buy. We get that a lot. And it's just easy. It's 2 or 3 minutes. I can just create the video and it's just old hat now, right? But that would take 20 or 30 minutes and I would probably explain it using terminology that I might understand, but the other person might not get it. Or when you see a long block of text, people skim it and they don't get into the depth. So a 2-minute video or 30 seconds a lot of times, the shorter the better. They're like, got it, I see the end result, and they can watch it 2 or 3 times until they get it. But I'll tell you, one of the big things, in fact, I just got one. I got an email from SendSpark that said, this video was just watched. And I know that that person is thinking about me right now. So you're giving people the gift of perfect timing. And if you're in sales, timing is everything. Well, when you know who is thinking about you right now, that's huge.